In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Manychat Pro subscription. If you're finding that your needs have changed, or perhaps you want to take a break from the service, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step, ensuring it's as straightforward and stress-free as possible. Let's begin by logging into your Manychat account. This is the first step on our journey to manage your subscription. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. A quick tip is to use a password manager to ensure easy access while maintaining security. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Now direct your attention to the left-hand side of your dashboard where you'll see a variety of options. Click on Settings. This is your control center for all things related to your Manychat account, and it's where we'll proceed with our next steps. Within the settings menu, you will locate the Billing tab. Go ahead and select it. This section houses all your subscription details and is where you can make changes regarding your payment plans and, of course, initiate the cancellation process. Next, you will see an option labeled Cancel Subscription. Click on it to begin the cancellation process. Now at this point, Manychat will ask for a reason for your cancellation. This is pretty standard practice among service providers as it helps them improve their service. Kindly choose a reason from the drop-down menu provided. You'll also find a space for a short description. Here you can share more about your decision to leave. You might want to give them some feedback if there are specific features that didn't meet your expectations, or perhaps you're switching to another service. Whatever your reasons, this feedback is invaluable to Manychat. After you've filled out the necessary fields, find the Next button and click it to proceed to the final stage of the cancellation process. This is the critical point where you confirm your decision. You'll be presented with an option that says Cancel my subscription. Go ahead and click on this to finalize your cancellation. It's always a good idea to double check everything is correct before making this final click, just to ensure there are no surprises later on. A quick and important note before we wrap up: remember that subscription management tasks, including cancellation, can only be conducted through the Manychat website. So, if you're on your mobile, make sure you open Manychat in your web browser, as the mobile app won't support this function. And there you have it, you've successfully navigated through the cancellation of your Manychat Pro subscription. This process should leave you unburdened and free to explore other avenues that best fit your needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process clear and easy to follow.